Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Crystal Garland Strands is probably one of the most versatile and elegant decorative elements you can add to any space, offering a dazzling way to elevate your home decor, event ambience, or even craft projects with its shimmering beauty and sophisticated appeal, making it a must-have for anyone looking to add a touch of glamour and sparkle to their surroundings. Number 5. HDCRYSTALGIFTS Crystal Suncatcher Wind Chime. Introducing a beautiful, handmade crystal suncatcher. It's designed in a wind chime style, perfect for adding a touch of elegance to any space. Crafted from clear K9 crystal and gold-plated metal, this piece features stunning pipa crystal prisms and colorful glass beads. It's built to last and catch the light beautifully. Just like chandelier crystals, these prisms create a dazzling display of light. Watch as it sparkles and transforms your surroundings with rainbow effects. This versatile decor can be used in so many ways. Hang it indoors or outdoors, on windows, plants, or even as a festive addition to your Christmas tree. Presented in a lovely pink gift box, it makes an elegant and thoughtful present. It's an ideal gift for occasions like Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, or Christmas. To ensure it arrives in perfect condition, the colorful chains are individually wrapped. This protects the crystals from any scratches during transit. What we like. This one features genuine K9 crystal prisms and a gold-plated metal finish, offering a truly premium sparkle. If you are looking for a high-quality, elegant piece that catches light beautifully and adds a touch of luxury to your decor, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those who appreciate fine craftsmanship and a sophisticated aesthetic. What people say. They catch the sun so beautifully. All the colors are there. It's nice and heavyweight plastic, but feels just like glass. And the size is great. It's small enough that the wind probably won't damage it. It's already been through a few windstorms. This crystal sun catcher is so beautiful. It was exactly what I was looking for. We have a big sliding glass door on the south side of our house that gets almost continuous sunlight, event in the winter, and this sun catcher is so perfect for bringing light and joy to our home. This is so pretty. All the little sparkly rainbows everywhere, during different times of the day, as the sun shifts. So intricate. It was also very carefully packaged, so it arrived in perfect shape. Number 4. HOHIYA Acrylic Hanging Crystals. Introducing our premium set of 30 acrylic hanging crystals. These high-quality pieces feature prism accents that beautifully reflect light, adding a dazzling sparkle to any setting. These versatile decorations are perfect for a wide range of occasions. Use them for weddings, parties, Christmas trees, centerpieces, or to enhance your home's interior decor. Decorating is a breeze with these lightweight crystal strands. Their ready-to-hang design allows for quick setup and flexible arrangement on trees, branches, chandeliers, or your DIY projects. Looking for a thoughtful gift? They are a delightful choice for craft lovers and event planners. They are also ideal for holiday seasons, special celebrations, or any creative decor enthusiast. Experience a premium reflective sparkle effect. Each crystal catches light from multiple angles, creating an eye-catching shine that enhances the ambient atmosphere. What we like. This set offers a generous 30 pieces of acrylic crystals, making it incredibly easy to cover large areas or create a dramatic effect. If you're planning a large event like a wedding or party, or simply want to add a lot of sparkle to your home without a high cost, this is the perfect option. Its lightweight nature also makes it ideal for DIY projects and quick decorating. What people say. They have a nice hanging weight to them, but not so much it will weigh down the branches. You can't even tell it's made of plastic because they feel and look like crystal. They made my garland look extremely classy. Even though they are acrylic, they still look good. I actually think I might even like them better than glass because those would be so heavy. Number 3. WILLBOND Ice Wire Clear Garland. Add a touch of elegance to any occasion with this stunning crystal garland. Its exquisite design and sparkling beads create a romantic and happy atmosphere, perfect for weddings and celebrations. Crafted with acrylic crystal beads and a sturdy steel wire core, this garland is built to last. Its flexible nature allows you to easily shape it into various designs without worrying about breakage. Measuring 16 feet long, this transparent garland provides ample material for all your decorating needs. The realistic, eye-catching beads will transform any space into a magical castle. From holidays and parties to weddings and DIY projects, this garland is incredibly versatile. It's also a thoughtful gift for friends and family who appreciate beautiful decor. Easily shape it into hearts, moons, or stars to showcase your creativity. Wrap it around objects or create a stunning wreath. The possibilities are endless. While easy to use, please be mindful of the steel wire construction to avoid any scratches. Enjoy crafting and decorating with this beautiful and practical accessory. What we like. The unique selling point here is the flexible steel wire core, allowing you to bend and shape the garland into virtually anything. If you love DIY crafts and want to create custom decorations like hearts, stars, or unique arrangements, this garland offers unparalleled creative freedom. It's perfect for those who enjoy hands-on decorating and want to add a personal, artistic touch. What people say. I combined this light pearl and crystal garland with light string to create a beautiful frame for my window display. Turned out beautifully and gave the exact effect I wanted. I cut it and use it in my tree. I have cats, so I can't have tinsel that they can swallow. This is actually much prettier. Just what I was looking for. I used to upcycle my chandelier and it looks amazing. So many compliments, easy to work with. Number 2. WAZHRMGHG 99-foot acrylic crystal garland. Introducing our stunning crystal garland, crafted from high-quality, eco-friendly acrylic. Its clear, faceted beads add a touch of sparkle to any occasion. Perfect for a wide range of decorations, from elegant centerpieces and Christmas trees to chandeliers and party settings. Let its brilliance enhance your chosen space. Each strand features 14mm octagon beads meticulously connected by silver chrome jump rings. This handmade quality ensures a beautiful and durable decoration. The strands are designed with metal rings, allowing you to easily adjust their length. Create the perfect cascade for your specific decorative needs. With 30 strands totaling 99 feet, you have plenty of material to work with. This generous amount ensures you can achieve your desired decorative vision. Elevate your weddings, parties, or holiday celebrations with the exquisite shimmer of these crystal strands. They are sure to impress your guests. What we like. With 30 individual strands totaling 99 feet, this option provides incredible versatility in length and arrangement. If you need to decorate multiple areas, create cascading effects, or have specific length requirements for centerpieces or chandeliers, this product allows for easy customization. It's ideal for event planners or anyone needing flexible decorating solutions. What people say. They came packed nicely, in groups of 25 I believe. They're held together with loops they can easily open to change the length or connect them all together whichever way you want to use them. The rings holding the gems together are easy to pull apart and close. I did it with my fingers, didn't need a tool. The color of the gems were clear. The light reflects shininess you're looking for in a chandelier. They came in sections that you can connect together or use. I think they're in 5-foot sections. But really, with the metal rings, you can make as many sections and lengths as you like. Number 1. 99-foot DIY diamond acrylic crystal bead strand. Add a touch of elegance to any occasion with our stunning crystal bead strands. These iridescent beads shimmer and sparkle, bringing a dazzling effect to your decorations. Each roll provides 99 feet of versatile beads, perfect for a wide range of DIY projects. Let your creativity flow and transform ordinary items into extraordinary decor. Elevate your wedding, party, or holiday decor with these beautiful faux diamond beads. They are ideal for centerpieces, backdrops, bouquets, and so much more. Secured by a strong white thread, these beads can be easily cut to your desired length. Create custom beaded curtains, elegant trees, or unique embellishments for any event. Watch as these clear crystal beads catch the light and create a truly magical ambience. They add a fabulous bling and a sophisticated sparkle to any room or setting. From lampshades to tablecloths, these beads offer endless decorating possibilities. They are the perfect accessory for both indoor and outdoor crafting and event styling. What we like. This garland stands out with its iridescent finish, offering a unique shimmer and color play in the light. If you're looking to add a subtle yet captivating rainbow effect to your decorations, especially for weddings or parties, this is a fantastic choice. The continuous 99-foot roll on a white thread makes it easy to cut to any length, perfect for creating elegant backdrops or dazzling beaded curtains. What people say. Beautiful acrylic crystal beads. Used them on my Christmas tree to add more of an Art Deco look and it worked. Got many compliments. These beads are just as pictured, very pretty and iridescent. I bought this for my 6-foot crystal decorated tree. I loved how it shined against the lights and crystals. Was the perfect extra. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.